Good morning, students of class 4th. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in my last video, I had revised the word meanings, meaning of phrases, and read and explained this lesson 1, the clever jackal, to you. Today, I'm going to revise the word meanings, meaning of phrases, read the lesson and start with the comprehension exercises. Fine? So first of all, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 1. Students, please take out your Wordsworth English Reader book. Turn the page to page number 1, lesson 1, the clever jackal. Now first of all, I'm going to revise the word meanings. The first word is ferocious, which means violent or inhuman. Ferocious, violent or inhuman. Second word is proposed. Proposed means suggested. Proposed, suggested. The third word is reluctantly, which means unwillingly. Reluctantly, unwillingly. The fourth word is half-heartedly, which means unwillingly. Half-heartedly, unwillingly. The fifth word is deliberately, which means knowingly. Deliberately, knowingly. The sixth word is usual. Usual, normal. Usual, normal. The seventh word is apologized, which means said sorry. Apologized, said sorry. The eighth word is furious. Furious, angry. Furious, angry. The ninth word is pounced, which means jumped, attacked. Ninth word is pounced, which means jumped, attacked. The 10th word is struggled, which means fought, made an effort. Fought, made an effort. Struggled means fought, made an effort. The 11th word is drowned, which means died by suffocating in water. Died by suffocating in water. Besides these 11 word meaning, students, there are some phrases given at the bottom of page number 1 and 2. So let's revise those phrases and their meanings also. The first phrase is came his way, which means to meet someone unexpectedly. किसी से एकदम से मिल जाना रास्ते में, आपने सोचा ही नहीं हो जिससे कि मिलोगे, और एकदम से मुलाकात होना, उसको कहते हैं came his way, to meet someone unexpectedly. Then the second phrase is living in fear, which means to always think about a scary thing or event. Scary मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज जिसके बारे में सोच के ही डर लगता हो, डराने वाली कोई चीज. So to always think about a scary thing or event. Then the third phrase is no solution in sight, which means when no answer can be found. No solution in sight, which means no answer can be found. Then the fourth one is to say their final goodbye. That means to say goodbye for the last time. आखिरी बार goodbye बोलना, उसके बाद फिर means कभी नहीं मिलेंगे. To say goodbye for the last time. Fifth, had set off, which means to begin a journey. Had set off, which means to begin a journey. So students, now I'm going to read this lesson. Please listen to me carefully so that you can also pronounce the words correctly and it will be easier for you to understand the exercises. So turn to page number 1, lesson 1, the clever jackal. Once upon a time, there lived a cruel and ferocious lion in a deep forest. He killed and ate any animal that came his way. All the animals of the jungle were afraid of him. One day, all the animals decided to hold a meeting in order to solve this problem. The wise old owl proposed that each day one animal should go to the lion as his meal. This was not the best solution, but since The animals were tired of living in fear all the time. They reluctantly agreed. They all went to the lion and told him about their proposal. The lion agreed. The animals decided among themselves to take turns to go to the lion. The first day, a deer was sent to the lion. His wife, the doe, cried all day. The next day, a rabbit was sent. Her little children were very upset and did not eat anything for 3 days. A whole month went by this way. The animals were set to see their friends and family members leaving one by one, but there seemed no solution in sight. One sunny morning, it was the turn of the jackal. His entire family came to say their final goodbyes. Like all the other animals, he also did not want to go to the lion, but he left all his friends and family members half-heartedly. As he was walking towards the lion's den, he came up with an idea. He deliberately walked very slowly and reached late. The lion was hungry, and hunger had made him angrier than usual. By the time the jackal arrived, the lion was ready to eat him up at once. The jackal very respectfully apologized for being late and informed him that he had set off with 2 of his friends as part of the lion's meal. However, on their way, they were attacked by another lion who said that he was the king of their jungle. The other lion had then eaten both his friends. It was with great difficulty that he had managed to escape. The lion was furious on hearing this. He ordered the jackal to take him to the place where the other lion was. The jackal took him to a well. The lion saw his reflection in water and thought that it was the other lion. He was so angry that without thinking, he pounced at his own reflection and fell into the well. He struggled for some time, but finally drowned. The clever jackal's intelligence had saved all the other animals of the forest. They were very thankful to him and lived in the forest peacefully ever after. So students, in this story, you have seen how the jackal's intelligence had saved all the other animals. And the lion, he was such a big fool that when he saw his reflection in the water of the well, he thought that it was another lion, and without thinking, out of anger, he pounced and jumped into the well. And as a result, what happened? The lion drowned and died in the water of the well. And the clever jackal's intelligence had saved the lives of all the animals, and all the other animals lived happily ever after. So students, this story again has a moral that no wonder how many problems comes, there's always a solution for the problem. The jackal, if he would have not thought about how to come out of the problem, what would have happened? He would have again become the lion's prey. The lion would have attacked, killed and eaten him. But he thought of a plan, and finally the jackal's plan succeeded, and the lion was drowned in the water of the well, and the animals lived happily ever after. So students, always think positive, never give up in life. Fine. Now students, please turn to page number 3, as I'll be starting with exercise A of comprehension. Please take out your English reader textbooks. You will be doing this exercise in the book itself. Fine. Now, give me heading comprehension. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the help box. Now, there are some words given in the help box and the words are intelligence. सबको पता है ना इंटेलिजेंस, जैकल्स इंटेलिजेंस है ना, उसकी जो चतुराई है वो. The second word is pounced. Pounce means to jump and attack. किसी के ऊपर jump करके उसको attack करने को क्या बोलते हैं? Pounced. Then the third word is apologize. Apologize का मतलब होता है माफ़ी मांगना. अगर आप कोई गलती करते हो, आप किसी से अपनी गलती के लिए माफ़ी मांगते हो तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? apologize. Then the next word is reluctantly. And reluctantly means unwillingly, बिना इच्छा से कोई काम करना. And the fifth word is deliberately. Deliberately means knowingly, जानबूझ के कोई काम करना. Fine? Now, अब ये 5 words हैं, इनको हमें fill in the blanks में लिखना है. Fine? So, the first fill in the blank is, please do this exercise in the book. The animals of the forest dash agreed to send one animal every day to the lion as his meal. Fine? The animals of the forest dash agreed to send one animal every day to the lion as his meal. है ना? The animals, when they were living in fear, they were fed up of the lion's behavior. They knew that every time, whenever they confront the lion, what will happen? The lion would attack and eat them, kill and eat them up. So they all decided to held a meeting in the forest, and in the meeting it was decided that every day one animal would go to the lion's den as his food, as his meal. So the animals, were they very happy to that proposal, that old wise old owl's proposal? No, they weren't, isn't it? So the animals of the forest dash agreed. वो अपनी इच्छा से एग्री किए थे कि बिना इच्छा से? they were not willing, nobody was willing to be the lion's meal, है ना? ये सोच के कि जाओ सामने लायन मुझको खा जाएगा. would anybody be willing to do such an act? so नहीं, है ना? और unwilling को क्या बोलते हैं? unwilling को का synonym, the word is reluctantly. so write reluctantly. The animals of the forest reluctantly animals of the forest reluctantly, write reluctantly in the first line, agreed to send one animal every day to the lion as his meal. The animals of the forest reluctantly agreed to send one animal every day to the lion as his meal. कि वो एक एनिमल रोज लायन के पास उसके मील के लिए जाएगा. But they were not willing, they were not very happy. तो unwilling के लिए क्या वर्ड यूज करते हैं? reluctantly. That is reluctantly, reluctantly. Now the second healthy plant. The jackal dash walked. The jackal dash walked slowly towards the lion's den. Up jackal, when it was his turn to be the lion's meal, what did he do? He was also upset. He also didn't want it to die. So he purposely walked very slowly. वो जानबूझ के बहुत धीरे धीरे walk कर रहा था. Unknowingly, if you do something, उसके लिए हम क्या word use करेंगे? Deliberately. DELIBERATLY. Deliberately, knowingly, जानबूझ के. So, in the second line, you will write deliberately. Deliberately, knowingly, जानबूझ के. So, second one is the jackal deliberately walked slowly towards the lion's den. First blank you write reluctantly, which means unwillingly, and in the second blank you write deliberately, which means purposely, जान के. Then the third one, the jackal very respectfully dash for being late. Now, when the jackal he reached the lion's den, what had happened? The lion was more angrier out of hunger. बहुत भूख लगी थी. jackal ने आने में लेट कर दिया था. So lion was angrier than usual. So jackal ने जाते ही वहाँ पे क्या किया? He very respectfully, बहुत रिस्पेक्ट से उसने लायन से माफी मांगी. और माफी मांगने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? अपोलोजाइज, है ना? So write apologized. APOLOGISED. माफी मांगने को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? अपोलोजाइज. हमसे भी कोई गलती होती तो हम अपोलोजाइज करते हैं, हम माफी मांगते हैं टीचर्स से, पेरेंट्स से, isn't it? So the jackal very respectfully apologized for being late. The jackal very respectfully apologized for being late. The jackal very respectfully apologized for being late. Fine. First way, write reluctantly, which means unwillingly. In the second line, write deliberately, which means purposely, जानबूझ के. And the third line, you write apologize, which means अपनी गलती के लिए माफी मांगना. So I'll revise and then I'm going to erase. First, the animals of the forest reluctantly agreed to send one animal every day to the lion as his meal. Second, the jackal deliberately walked slowly towards the lion's den. Third, the jackal very respectfully apologized for being late. Fine. I hope everybody has done. Now the fourth one. The lion was very angry. In his anger, the other lion. अब जब बहुत देर हो गई, कोई एनिमल नहीं आ रहा था, and jackal he reached the lion's den very late. Hunger made the lion very angrier, and when the jackal very respectfully he apologized in front of the lion, and he informed the lion that on the way he had set out with two more of his friends, and they met another lion who said that he was the king of the jungle, and he ate two of his friends who were a part of the lion's meal. And what did he say? That with great difficulty the jackal had managed to escape. So the hunger and the thought of another lion made the lion very angry. दूसरे लायन के बारे में सोच के और भूख के कारण लायन को बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था. और जब he said to the jackal that take me to the place where the other lion is, so that call took him to a well, and in the well when the lion saw his own reflection in water, lion ने जब अपने ही जो reflection परछाई पानी में देखी, so in his anger he dashed into the well to kill the other lion. लायन ने जब अपनी ही reflection water में देखी तो उसने क्या किया? He pounced, jumped and attacked. Jumped and attacked करने को क्या बोलते हैं? Pounce. So right, pounced in the fourth line. P-O-U-N-C-E-D. He pounced into the well to kill the other lion. Now the fifth one. Pounce मतलब jump and attack. The jackals dash saved the other animals of the forest. The jackals dashed saved. The jackals intelligence. इसमें क्या आएगा? Intelligence. Write intelligence in the fifth line. I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-C-E. I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-C-E. The jackal's intelligence saved the other animals of the forest. Fine. So with this, we have finished our exercise A of lesson 1. I'll revise these both the blanks and then I'm going to erase. The fourth one. The lion was very angry. In his anger, he pounced, P-O-U-N-C-E-D, like pounced in the fourth line, into the well to kill the other lion. Then the fifth one. The jackal's intelligence, I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-E-N-C-E, saved the other animals of the forest. Fine. So, I hope everybody has done this exercise in the book, students. Now, take out your English notebook as we'll be doing the next exercise, that is the question and answers in the notebook. Now, let's start with exercise B. And exercise B is answer the following questions in one or two sentences. This is the heading. All of you please take out your English notebook. This exercise you're supposed to do in your English notebook. But all of you please take out your English notebook. Give the heading of exercise B of comprehension, that is answer the following question in one or two sentences. Write the first question. Question number 1 is, what lion. Lion कैसा? King था. What kind of a king was the lion? Now we have read how was the lion. हमने दो adjectives पढ़े थे. When I read the lesson, I had explained. The lion was a cruel and ferocious king. So the answer will be the lion was cruel, C-R-U-E-L, cruel and ferocious, F-E-R-O-C-I-O-U-S. The lion was a cruel and ferocious king, right? The lion was a cruel and ferocious king. Students, be careful about your spellings. The spelling of cruel is C-R-U-E-L and the spelling of ferocious is F-E-R-O-C-I-O-U-S. Fine? Cruel means who is not kind, जिसको दूसरों के ऊपर दया नहीं हो. And ferocious means violent, inhuman, है ना, जो दूसरों के साथ मारधार करता हो. And ferocious is generally used with animals. ठीक है? खतरनाक. So the lion was a cruel and ferocious king. Question 1. What kind of a king was the lion? The answer is the lion was a cruel and ferocious king. Now, after the answer, please draw a margin line using a scale and pencil. Now, the second question. Question 2. What did the animals of the forest decide to do? अब जब सारे एनिमल्स हर समय they were scared कि they'll confront the lion would attack, kill and eat them. So in order to find a solution to the problem, they all decided to do what? They all decided to hold a meeting in order to solve the problem. So answer to will be the animals of the forest. The animals of the forest. अब बेटा क्वेश्चन में did है तो यहाँ पे decide का हम क्या कर देंगे? Past tense, that is decided. The animals of the forest decided to hold a meeting in order to solve the problem. This is the second answer. The animals of the forest decide, past tense, decided to hold a meeting in order to solve the problem. And in the meeting it was decided that each animal will take turn to go to the lion as his meal each day. Fine? So question 2, what did the animals of the forest decide to do? The answer is the animals of the forest decided to hold a meeting in order to solve the problem. Fine? So that's all for today, students. Do not forget to draw a parting line after each answer using a scale and pencil. I'll be continuing with the remaining questions in my next video. That's all for today. Thank you, students. Please complete exercise A in your book and exercise B question number 1 and 2 along with the answers in your English notebook. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.